Well, it's the next morning. Well, it's next evening after the tracking day. And we're gonna take this transmission apart. We're ready, well, not apart, but we're gonna take the torque converter off and probably take the trans oil pan off and show y'all what's the carnage inside of there. Hopefully it's something cool that y'all could actually see before I bring it to Josh in Houston. And yeah, we're gonna take it apart right now. Well, not a broken input shaft. You see all the metal shavings in that? See the glitter?
Oh yeah.
No. Make sure it doesn't go in. Alright. Just hold right here if you can, Justin.
Huh? There's some metal.
There's a lot of glitter in there. Damn. I don't remember putting glitter in there earlier. I don't see nothing.
Neither, it's kind of disappointing.
Alright, so tomorrow, which is going to look like the same day to you, but I'm going to bring this thing to Houston to Josh. So catch you then. Well, we dropped off the trans. She's gone. Josh is OG. Thanks, man.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, transmission's gone. Well, not actually gone, just for a little bit. He's gonna check it out for me, tell me if it was actually built or not. If it wasn't built, then it lasted a long time for not being built. All right, so to conclude this video, we're back at the track, and it's about 2 weeks from the last time you saw us here when we blew the transmission. We put the new trans in, or the rebuilt trans, and well, we're gonna test it out. So we're gonna end the video here, and next video you'll see is me probably doing a burnout. All right, guys. So we got the new trans in. We're back at the track 2 weeks later, and we're on our first hit. Let's go try it out. We just made our first pass. I shifted into second, but it felt like second didn't go in. So it might be something with the shifter linkage on the transmission. Because I drove the car yesterday and made a hit, and the car went into second gear. So I don't know. You'll see in the in-car footage, I bumped the shifter like 3 times, and then on the 3rd time it finally went in. So I basically went down the track in first gear. It still ran a 10.2. So we are. We're gonna try it again, and we're trying to update the computer because for some reason I forgot my computer in Louisiana, and I bought a new computer here at Walmart, and when I put the Holley Terminator software on it, it's too new for my ECM. Mine is only on the 0.50, and now we're at 0.80, so I gotta update the computer on the car itself. So here we go. All right, bro, so we are going for round number 2. We fixed the shift linkage. We fixed our little trans leak that we had. We upped the boost a good bit off the lead and down the track. So we shall see what happens.
1073 and 131. And then lets out of it, smoke down on the biggie.
Get a 8 right here. Cavalry is here.
It ran 10 too though.
The fucking 60 foot. Really?
Yeah.
It ran a 10 too. It looked good leaving though, right? It really did. Did it shift all right? He wouldn't take second gear, bro. He would have never caught me. Dude, I'm telling you, the 8th mile on that bitch was so nasty. Yeah, this thing caught on fire.
Did it really?
Yeah, they had to come put it
Oil
out.
or water?
Yeah.
Water from the fire hydrant.
Oh.
Where did it catch fire from?
Right here somewhere.
We'll
Under
set
this.
it over there.
Went 119.
I did.
I did.
Oh, where did I go?
Right before 1.5 in the 60 and then 6.3 and
What
then
happened?
10.2.
Why you ran a 1020?
It wouldn't go in the second gear. The linkage.
Yeah, it's definitely done. So
If it would have known in second, I don't think he would have caught it.
What did I tell y'all?
Turn on your intercooler.
No, he pressed that scrambling button, man. He hit the scramble.
no, but
We'll see when we
I
call
bet
it
it made
back.
every bit of
Oh,
32.
Oh, you felt it?
But it didn't hit boost cut. Boost cut was set at 35.
Okay,
And it was going
I
good.
got it.
All right, so after a very, very long day, we're back in the house in Louisiana, and car's broken, but it's not something major. I mean, it could be major if it bent a rod, but it didn't really bend a rod. I'm pretty sure it just one of my injectors completely got stuck wide open, and now it shoots a bunch of fuel right out of this exhaust. I don't know if you can tell, it's super black. Yeah, straight raw fuel coming right out of there, and out of the V-band. The whole header was just full of E85, so it killed the car on the burnout, and we just pushed it back. So yeah, and we had some issues. Obviously the car was only running like 10.0 in first gear, because it shifted to second at the end of the track. So yeah, we gotta buy a new linkage for the transmission, and probably, well, I don't need new injectors. I got some upgraded. Right now I have some 1500cc snake eaters, and they've done good for 2 years, but now it's time to upgrade to the what do you call it? Upgrade to the 2200. So that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, yeah. Have a freaking awesome day.